Hi, I'm Dr. Krupa George, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the 5 reasons to see a holistic dentist. Now, the main philosophy of holistic dentists is that they get to the root cause of disease. Not only will they help you prevent cavities from forming, but they will help you get to optimized health by finding root causes of problems. Now, if you want to find a solution from hearing bad news every time you go to the dentist, then getting to the root cause is the only way to go. They will look at a variety of things to get to the root cause, other than just the number of times you brush your teeth, or floss, or how much candy you're eating. In fact, they will evaluate things like your airway, your muscles of your head and neck, your joints, your bite, and even your nutrition. They will also relate your genetics to help you find the root cause of problems and keep your teeth for a lifetime. Now, there's just no way that the basics of brushing and flossing can really get you to optimal health. There's a lot more to it. In fact, here's a quick list of some root causes we have found to be causing cavities. First, we have tongue ties and lip ties. These are found in both children and adults. And you can see in this picture here, this is an example. So here we have the 4 classifications of tongue ties. And this actually prevents the proper cleaning of teeth and holds acids in your mouth that would usually be flushed out. Another example is that we can see signs of GERD or acid reflux in your mouth. It looks something like this. That can be related to sleep apnea or even airway resistance. Another example is that we look at saliva blockage, which causes dry mouth. This would eliminate the neutralizing saliva that protects your teeth against cavities. Since we also measure the pH of your saliva, we can tell if the low pH of your saliva is causing cavities. Another cause of health problems is related to vitamin deficiency. Your tongue will give us lots of ideas of what vitamin deficiencies you'll have. Now, if that wasn't a big enough reason, here's reason number 2. Holistic dentists know how to avoid toxicity by staying away from mercury and fluoride. They'll never push you to use fluoride just because your dental insurance is paying for it. In fact, fluoride can be hiding everywhere in a regular dental office, and you have to be really careful, because fluoride can be found in most crown cements, in filling materials, and even polishing pastes. They will always avoid mercury and remove it using a safe mercury removal technique called the SMART protocol, which uses vacuums and filters like these. This will keep all the toxic vapors out of your body and out of the dental office. On to reason number 3. Holistic dentists are conservative in treatment and save teeth instead of drilling them down. Holistic dentists know about the natural supplements and medicines that can actually reverse cavities. This prevents drilling. Now, sometimes we can use special techniques to layer filling material. This is called biomimetic restoration. This will save teeth from being drilled down into a nub like this tooth here. Eventually, that tooth will need a root canal because of the trauma that tooth has faced after the drilling. In fact, when a tooth is drilled or prepared for a crown, a lot of that enamel layer is removed. What's the big deal about enamel, you say? Well, enamel is the hardest part of your body, even harder than bone. The enamel protects you from getting holes in your teeth. When the enamel is removed, the second, softer layer called dentin is all that's left. Once a crown is placed on the tooth, you might think the tooth is protected. However, there is always a gap between the tooth and the crown. This is a tiny gap which traps bacteria that causes cavities. This bacteria can and will grow in that second, softer layer. Okay, reason number 4. Holistic dentists will avoid prescription medications and antibiotics as much as possible. They know about the side effects that prescription medications can have on the rest of your body. They will use natural medications like colloidal silver, iodine, or ozone treatments. Lastly, reason number 5. Holistic dentists will avoid unnecessary x-rays. Now, there's no doubt that x-rays are needed for diagnosis, but holistic dentists know about the harmful effects of radiation and will avoid it at all costs. They will also be able to provide homeopathics to mitigate the effects of radiation and use the latest technologies to catch small cavities without using x-rays. They won't blindly take x-rays every 6 months just because your insurance is paying for it. but instead, they will use a variety of risk factors to determine how often you need x-rays taken. There you have it, the 5 reasons to go holistic when you pick a dentist. Remember, a holistic or natural dentist will get to the root cause, avoid toxic chemicals, save teeth as much as possible, all while avoiding harmful prescriptions and using alternative natural medications, and use minimal x-rays. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll learn a lot more about holistic dentists. You can go to my website or come visit me in Houston, Texas.